Hello students, today we are going to see the next operation in matrices, that is addition of matrix. That is the given matrices, how we have to add. That is the discuss in this class. We should see the important concept of given matrices before adding. You see here, that is for addition of any given matrices, the given matrices addition is possible if and only their order or their shape is same. That means the given matrices are of same order or same shape or same size. That is the very important. Here, it is possible if and only the given matrices are same order or same shape. That means the given matrices rows and columns are same in nature. For example, A matrix, it is of 2 by 3 matrix, B also 2 by 3 matrix. If it is there, we are going to add such matrices. Unless otherwise, it is not possible. Like that, C matrix also 2 by 3 matrix. Suppose, if any change in the order, that is size, rows and columns. Here 2 rows, 3 columns. Here also 2 rows, 3 columns. Here also 2 rows, 3 columns. If it is there, the addition is possible. Unless otherwise, the addition or subtraction not possible in relation to matrices. Then you see here, A, it is a first matrix. A is of 2 by 3 matrix. That is 2 rows, 3 columns. Like that, B matrix also 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 columns. If it is there, we have to add. That is possibility of addition of matrix A as well as matrix B. That is A plus B. Matrix A added with matrix B. That is how to add. The first element added with here also the first element. That is A11 plus B11. Then A12 added with P12. Just you are going to give a cap. A12 plus P12. Like that, A13 plus P13. Then come to second row. Second row first column. Here with the second row first column. That is A21 plus P21. Like that, A22 plus P22. Like that, A23 plus P23. Here 2 by 3 matrix. That is the answer. Now, this element added with this element. This element added with this element. This element added with this element. So, we have to classify the first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Like that, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So, the corresponding elements should be added. That is the addition way of giving matrices. This is the clear example. Next, we have to see the properties of the matrix for addition. What are the properties behind it? That is, the first property of matrix for addition, it is of commutative. What do you mean by commutative? That is, commutative means commute each other. Here, A matrix plus B matrix is equivalent to B matrix with that of A matrix. So, A matrix added with the B matrix, it is equal to B matrix added with the A matrix. That is the commutative. For example, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2, like that. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here also 3 plus 2 equal to 5. That is the commutative. Then second property, associative. The associative means associate with each other. Here A matrix plus B matrix, that addition added with the C matrix, it is equal to A matrix added with the P matrix plus C matrix, that is both are same. For example, 5 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2. That is the associative. So, the matrix addition associative is possible. Next, distributive. What is distributive? Distributive means with regard to scalar multiplication. Here, k into a plus b, k into a plus b equal to, that is ka plus kb. That is, this is multiplied with here also, here multiplied with the here also. That is the distributive. The k into a plus b matrix, it is equal to k into a plus k into b. That is the distributive. Then next property, the additive inverse of A. You see, the additive inverse means changing the symbol. For A, additive inverse means minus A, negative. Like that, here A plus its additive minus A, that is equal to minus A its additive plus A. It is equal to 0. That is of 0 matrix. It is of 0. That is the properties of matrix A with regard to addition. Subtraction is treated as negative addition. Next, we have to work out few problems with regard to addition of matrices. Here, problem number 1. If A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B equal to 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 1. C equal to 5, 0, 1, 2, minus 2, 0. You have to find A plus B equal to P plus A. Then second one is 2 into A plus B equal to 2A plus 2B. Then third one is A plus P plus C equal to A plus B plus C. We are going to prove that these examples with regard to this problem. First, we go to work out A plus B equal to P plus A. Here, A plus B equal to B plus A means we should write first A matrix, then B matrix. That is the usual convention in the matrix. Here, A matrix is there. A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus B matrix 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 1. Now, this is called left hand side. Now, we are going to work out this part, that is A plus B. That is left hand side. LHS. It denotes left hand side. Now, we are going to work out the left hand side. A plus B. A plus B equal to, that is here this one added with this one. 2 plus 3, then 3 plus minus 2, again 4 plus minus 3, 4 plus minus 3. Like that, second row, here 5 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. Here 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 3 plus minus 2. Here 3 plus into minus, minus 2. Here plus 3 minus 2. That is answer is 1. Like that 4 minus 3. Plus into minus, minus. 4 minus 3. 4 is the greater number. 3 is the smaller number. Here we have to find the difference. Difference is 1. Put a symbol of greater number, that is plus. You need not put here plus. Then 5 plus 0 equal to 5. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. That is the A plus B. Next we have to find P plus A. Here P plus A, that is the right hand side. P plus A, that is of right hand side. We should write first B matrix, then A matrix. That is the convention in the matrix. So you see here, this is the B matrix, this is also A matrix. So B matrix also 2 by 3 matrix. Here A matrix also 2 by 3 matrix. That is addition is possible. Now we have to add the corresponding element of B with that of corresponding element of A. That is 3 added with 2. Here 3 plus 2. That is 3 plus 2. Next thing, minus 2 plus 3. That is minus 2 added with its corresponding element. Like that, minus 3 plus 4. Here 0 plus 5, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 7. Now it is equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Here minus 2 plus 3. There is a different symbol. Here 3 is the greater number, 2 is the smaller number. Find the difference. Difference is 1. Put the symbol of greater number, that is plus. You need not put here plus. That is like that. Plus 4 minus 3. Here plus 1. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. That is the P plus A. Now you look here. A plus B equal to P plus A. We have to prove that. This is the left hand side. Now this is the right hand side. Now you have to compare the answer, both the answers. Here 5, 1, 1, 5, 7, 8. Like that, 5, 1, 1, 5, 7, 8. Now left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. Then we have to work out second example, that is 2 into A plus B equal to 2A plus 2B. We have to prove that. That is second example. Take left hand side. Left hand side, that is this one. We have to work out first 2 into A plus B. Before that, we should add A matrix with that of B matrix. After that, we should multiply with the 2. Now this is A matrix, this is B matrix. Now we are going to add A plus B. So A plus B means A matrix elements added with the B matrix corresponding elements. That is 2 added with 3, 3 added with minus 2, 4 added with the minus 3, like that. Here 2 plus 3, 3 plus minus 2, 4 plus minus 3, like that. 5 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. Now we have to find the total. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus minus 2, that is equal to plus into minus, minus 3 minus 2, like that. 4 minus 3 here. Now 3 minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 3 plus 1, 5 plus 0, 5, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Now that is the a plus b. Now we have to find 2 into a plus b. This a plus b multiplied with the 2. That is 2 into a plus b. 2 into this a plus b. That is, this is the a plus b. Now it is equal to this 2 multiplied with every element of in a plus b. Like that here. You see here 2 into 5. 10. 2 into 1, 2. Again 2 into 1, 2. Then 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 8, 16. That is the 2 into a plus b. This one. Now we have arrived left hand side. Next, move to right hand side. That is, it is equal to 2a plus 2b. Now, come to right hand side. 2a plus 2b. Now, this is a matrix multiplied with the scalar number 2. This is the b matrix multiplied with the scalar number 2. After that, we are going to plus it. Here, like that, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, again 2 into 4, like that here. 2 into 2, again 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7. That is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 7, 14. This is 2a. Now we have to find the 2b. 2b, that is, this is multiplied with every element in the b. That is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus into minus, minus 2 into 2 plus into minus, minus 2 into 3. Here 2 into 0, 2 into 1, here also 2 into 1. That is 2 into 3, 6, here plus into minus, here minus 4, plus into minus, minus 6, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2. This is 2b. Now this is 2a. It is equal to 2a. It is of 2b. Now we are going to add it. 2a plus 2b. Now the corresponding element 4 added with the 6. Here 4 plus 6, 6 plus minus 4, 8 plus minus 6. Again 10 plus 0, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2. Now it is equal to 4 plus 6, 10. Here 6 minus 4. Plus into minus, minus. 6 minus 4. That is equal to 2. Here 8 minus plus into minus 6. That is here also 2. 10 plus 0, 10. 14, 16. Here you look here. Here 10 to 2. Here also 10 to 2. 10, 14, 16. 10, 14, 16. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence, it is proved. That is over. The next example, that is third one, is A plus P plus C equal to A plus B plus C. We have to prove it. This is the third example. Now take left hand side. A plus P plus C. First we have to find the value of A plus P plus C. Here first thing we have to find the value of within the bracket, that is P matrix added with the C matrix. This is the P matrix, this is the C matrix. Now first we have to find the value of P plus C, then added with A. That is the usual procedure. P plus C equal to, that is B matrix added with C matrix. The order is same. Here B matrix also 2 by 3 matrix, C also 2 by 3 matrix. That it is possible for addition. Here the corresponding element should be added with the B that of C. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 minus 2 plus 0 minus 3 plus 1. Here 0 plus 2, 1 plus minus 2. Here also 1 plus 0. That is equal to 3 plus 5, 8, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus into minus, minus. So 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, that is the minus 1, 1 plus 0, 1. This is P plus C. Then we add with the A matrix. Here you write it. First A matrix, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the A matrix plus P plus C. Here this is the P plus C. 8 minus 2 minus 2 2 minus 1 1. Now we have to add it. It is A plus P plus C. That is equal to 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. 3 plus minus 2, 4 plus minus 2, like that. 5 plus 2, 6 plus minus 1, 7 plus 1. Now it is equal to 2 plus 8 10. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 minus 1, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. That is the left hand side. A plus P plus C, that is this one. This is the left hand side. Now we move to right hand side. Right hand side, this one. A plus B plus C, we have to find first A plus B. This is the A matrix, this is the B matrix. We have to find the A plus B. These two matrices should be added. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 3 plus minus 2, 4 plus minus 3. Like that, 5 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. That is equal to 2 plus 3, 5. 3 here plus into minus, minus 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 plus 0, 5. 7, 8. This is A plus B. Now we have to add C matrix plus C matrix. You see here, this is the C matrix. 5, 0, 1, 2, minus 2, 0. Now, this is A plus B plus C equal to 5 plus 5. This is added with here. 5 plus 5, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, here 5 plus 2, 7 plus minus 2, 8 plus 0. It is equal to 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. That is right hand side. Now we have to compare this one and that one. Here 10, 1, 2. 7, 5, 8. Here therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. That is the addition of matrices with the different examples.